Are you looking for a high ticket product to sell for big profits? Maybe you've tried to sell things, but they never convert and it's frustrating. Well, watch this video because I found some products that are selling like hotcakes and anyone can do this because this is step by step. Okay. So what this is digital marketing. And what I promote digital products inside of the e-learning industry. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again 100% profit paid to you. And the e-learning industry is $1 billion a day industry. So we sell top selling products inside of this industry, right? So let me show you how it works. Okay. So right now, guys, we're having a Black Friday special. So if you launch your business and get started in the next 10 days or so, then you're going to get an additional income stream on top of the 4 other income streams that we currently have. Okay. So in order for you to make money online, you got to promote something that's in high demand and you want to promote something where you can earn 100% profit. Okay. So like I said, I promote top selling products inside of the e-learning industry, right? Which is $1 billion a day industry. And every time I make a sale through my website, I get paid 100% profit to me directly through my website. So I don't have to wait a day, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks to get paid. I get paid instantly. Okay. And 100% profit. So I don't have to split my profits. Because if you're doing network marketing, MLM, which is the same thing, or affiliate marketing, or just sales in general, you don't earn 100% profit. You generally earn like 25%. Okay, so there's a big difference. So our top selling product goes for 900, which is pretty high ticket, but it's not super high ticket. So you don't really have to get on the phone with people. Okay, I never have to talk to people and I can still make sales, right? And step number 2, you want to automate your business. This is how you can make money without talking to people. So this automated business is working for you 24/7. And you don't need any tech skills because we give you this automated business for free. You just got to plug in your information and you can set it up in less than a day. So people are going to go here to your landing page and then they're going to watch a video. And if they love the video, then they're going to purchase from your sales page, right? And if they're not ready to buy, we send out emails to people on autopilot. So we give you 13 pre-done, ready to go emails and it's all ready to go. You just got to set it up. Okay. I'll show you what this looks like in a second. And then after you get your automated business set up, how do you make money? Well, you got to drive traffic, people. You got to send people to your offer. People need to discover your business. So how are they going to discover your business, right? Well, we teach you the free strategies. So create 3 pieces of content every single day that you post to social media. Okay. We like to use TikTok. We have a lot of training for TikTok, but you can use whatever platform. YouTube's great too. And whatever platform you want to use, just use it. We have training for all platforms. Okay. So 3 pieces of content every day that you post to social media and just be consistent because if you're consistent, that's how you earn the income, right? And then you can go live. Going live on TikTok is great, guys. So just by going live and creating content, you can grow your following and attract customers to you, right? Just by doing these 2 things. So what I usually do, I go live on TikTok and I go live on YouTube simultaneously. Why? Because the more you show, the more you sell. Okay, so you want to get eyes on your business, right? Just like if you're watching this video, then you discovered my business because I created a piece of content. You see how it works? Okay, and we also teach you how to post free ads, right? So if you don't want to show your face, you can do faceless content or you can post free ads. So I'm going to show you like what it means to create content. I'll give you a couple examples in a second, right? I'm going to show you inside of this program and how it works and how it can help you. Okay, so let's do that now. Let me show you how this program works. Let's check it out. I'm going to share my screen with you and we can take a look, right? 1 second. Okay. Yeah, let me just go here and share my screen. Oh, that's not it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, guys. So here is the program, right? This is the program that I use to make $900 or more in a day. So 900 a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year, right? So learn the 900 daily pay blueprint, okay? So how do you get started? Follow the simple 3-step system. Step 1, get started. You got to get started, guys. If you don't get started, you're not going to make any money. Step 2, learn how to launch your business, okay? We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on high traffic websites for free and how to create content on social media to drive tons of traffic to your automated system. Step 3, start earning passive income. So you're going to get a website that looks just like this, guys. Okay, so you don't have to create a website yourself because it's already created for you. You just got to set it up and you can set it up in less than a day. Learn how to make $900 passive daily pay by following a 2-hour workday, right? So these are the different products that we promote, guys. Okay, we promote 4 different digital products and you earn 100% profit anytime someone purchases from you, right? So this is for you. If you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and frustrated, you want to make extra income from home, you're sick and tired of your job, you're wanting to get out of debt, you want to work from anywhere using your phone or laptop. So like imagine what it would be to have a proven blueprint to help you make 900 a day, which is $328,000 a year, right? Imagine what it'd be like to be debt free, to replace your full-time job by working part-time from home, set your own schedule, work when you want and where you want, have more time with your family without financial stress. Okay. And this is, let me just show you what the website looks like so you have an understanding. And this shows you all the products that we promote and what's inside each of the products, right? So you're going to see what's inside each of the products, what you're going to be learning. See, it's not only just reselling these products, you actually want to go through the training because the more you learn, the more you earn, okay? And it's going to help you build your business. And in the future, whatever you want to promote, you'll be able to promote anything because you'll have all the skills already. Because we're going to teach you all the skills to promote any kind of business, guys, okay? So this, if you go to my website, wealthwithdan.com, you can just check this out. All the information is there. You can see what's in the program. Plus, when you get started, you get all these bonuses too. You get access to our community. I'll show you in a second. You get a Canva crash course, right? All this stuff, how to do faceless marketing. Okay, so someone's going to go to your website. They'll purchase either the 900, right? The 600, the 300, or the 100. And there's also payment plans. So it's very affordable, guys. If you want to get started with this program too, you got to purchase one of the programs to get started. I did it myself. I invested my hard-earned money, and it's been totally worth it. This is a life-changing program. It will change your life if you get started. Of course, results aren't typical, so don't be typical, right? So 900, so you purchase one of these programs, guys, and then you have full access to everything. And then every time someone goes to your website, they're going to purchase one of these programs too. Well, that's the idea, right? Send people to your website, and then once they purchase, you get paid 100% profit. So once you're inside the program, guys, it's going to look like this, okay? It's all step by step. See, so once you purchase your website, so you got to purchase a program and you purchase your website for $29. After you purchase your website, you're going to have full access to the program. Okay, so it's going to look like this. It's going to show you everything that you need to do. It's all step by step, guys, right? For example, we're going to show you how to automate your business. So you just follow these steps. There's like 20 different steps you follow. You just watch these videos, you get your business set up, right? And then after your business is set up, you just want to go back here and you want to watch this 2-hour workday. We teach you how to get your income earning activities finished in 2 hours a day. And then you want to watch lesson 5, lesson 6, how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. So how to launch your business and go into profit, right? So, and then after you finish setting up your website, there's so much training to go through. So start creating your empire, and then just watch all these trainings, guys. Over time, just gradually watch all these trainings because the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay. Like how to find your ideal customer, why this matters, all this stuff. Okay. Now let me just show you what the automated system looks like. So here's what it looks like, guys. When you get started, you're going to have a landing page that looks something like this. So people are going to go here. They're going to click on your website. They're going to go here. They're going to put their email in. So you're building your email list. Then it'll take them here. So you're going to be watching this thank you video. Okay. So people will watch this video. If they love the video, then they'll go and they'll purchase one of the products, right? They'll purchase one of these products, like I showed you earlier, they'll purchase one of these. And then every time they purchase one of the products, you get paid. Okay. And then we also have this video going out inside of people's emails as well. Okay. And yeah, so you get these 4 pages, guys. These 4 pages is the automated system that's working for you 24/7. 1, 2, see, 2, 3, 4. 4 pages, guys. Right. And this is the website or the sales page. And here's our Black Friday special too. So you have 12 days left, guys. If you get started, you're gonna have access to this funnel too, and you can promote it and you can earn 100% profits. And you can also attend our 3-day workshop, which is going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. So you'll be able to promote this funnel as well. So you're going to have 5 income streams, okay? But you only got 12 days, so you got to get started with that if you want to have access to this, okay? And moving forward, you're going to still be able to promote the replay of this workshop, so you still have 5 income streams, right? Which is pretty awesome. And let me just show you inside of our community what kind of results people are having. So if you go inside of our community, guys, let me just show you around real quick. So here is our community, and you can see we have 45,000 members. Okay. And every day we have a training. We have some millionaire mentoring training. You can invite people to webinars. See, we have webinars that you can invite people to as well. Oh. And if you go inside of the classroom, you have all of these different trainings inside of the classroom. Like right now, we're doing a holiday profit push. We're showing you how to make 20K before Christmas. So you can watch all of these daily trainings, just videos you watch, like, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can watch all of these videos, right? And then there's all these other, trainings like content, how to create content, mindset training, social media training, 6 figures in 6 months. Okay, you get all of this. So you get the knowledge in the program, the training in the program, and the training in the community as well. And let's just go here. If you go to the calendar, you can see what events we're having. So we're going to have a mindset training with Amy. That's today. We're having a free webinar, which is also today. We're having a weekly success onboarding call. So if you're brand new, you just join these calls. Okay, it's going to help you get started and build your business. And then we have millionaire mentoring. We have Monday mentoring, 6-figure mentoring. Tuesday, we have 7-figure mentoring, millionaire mentoring. Every Tuesday, we have millionaire mentoring, guys, every single Tuesday. So let's just check out the wins. Let's see what kind of results people are having. Boom, Black Friday boomed. Okay. So she made 6,500 since Tuesday's webinar. Boom. Okay. Let's see. See some more. Boom, boom, boom. My first live, TikTok live. Okay, look at this. Maylee, 900 legacy ding. Love when my cell dings. So she made 900, guys. Look at Nayla, 11K. 11K over the weekend, guys. She made 11K over the weekend. Crazy. Okay, look at her. Shar, $38,000 in 3 months. Yeah, baby. Amazing. Let's see. Daryl, woke up to $600. As soon as I cracked my eyes open, I checked my phone and boom, this bad boy came through my automations. See, 600 like that. It came through the automations, guys. That's why you got to get your automated business set up. Okay. Ellen made 300 yesterday afternoon. So you can see we have a lot of wins here. 2,500 in a week. Yeah, this is page 1 out of 20,000 pages, right? So what kind of content do I create, guys? Let's go to my Facebook page, right? This is me. Let's see what kind of content that I create. See, sometimes on Facebook, I'll just create some written stuff. This is just a written piece of content, right? Here's like a faceless piece of content that I created. This is faceless, guys. So you don't even have to show your face, okay? Then here's just a talking video that I made for promoting my business. Here's me going live promoting my business. Here's just like some positive, quote or positive inspirational posts. See, guys, you don't always have to post about your business. You can mix it up. Sometimes you can do motivational stuff. You can show your lifestyle stuff, and then sometimes you have business posts. You have a variety of posts, guys. Right? So that's just simple stuff. This is what I do on Facebook, right? But I promote on all different platforms. Like I'll create one video and then I'll post that video on multiple platforms. All right. So let me just stop this. So yeah, that's the business, guys. It's super simple and you can earn 100, 300, 600, and 900 over and over again. The 900 are the best, right? You want those juicy $900 sales coming in. Okay. So all you got to do is get started, set up your automated system so you can receive payments. And then once that's set up, you just got to promote your business following the strategies that we teach. And if you need any help, you just go inside of the community. You can ask questions and you attend the live interactive mentorings because we have live interactive mentoring 2 to 3 times a week. Plus, you can always just, email me and I can help you as well. So there's no shortage of support and all you got to do is get started. Okay. So just go to wealthwithdan.com and get started. And remember, the Black Friday special is happening for the next 12 days. So if you get started before that, you can have another income stream. Okay. So yeah, just go to the link in my description and you can find out more. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.